Can you run fast?
No, I run very slow, but my brother runs fast.
I have been under a lot of pressure recently.
Maybe you should be more careful.
Let's go to the gym.
I don't feel well today.
Children should play outside.
Yes. They can play soccer, tennis, or ride bikes.
What are you making for dinner?
I usually eat out.
Why are you studying English?
For my business.
What time will dinner be served?
We will eat dinner at 6 o'clock.
It's not my fault.
I can understand that.
Can you help me with this project?
I'll be right there.
Do you go on picnics?
I often go outside with my friends.
Are you feeling good?
I don't feel well.
Is this your first trip abroad?
No, I have been in Germany and France.
Would you like to help me?
No, I can't. Try to finish it by yourself.
How have you been?
My leg still hurts, but I am better.
My little brother can read English.
He is very smart.
Do you have bad allergies?
In the fall, my allergies are bad.
How wide is the bridge?
20 meters.
I don't like cheese too much.
Maybe you should try this one.
Shall we go to the cinema?
Sorry, I'm engaged.
I'm sorry, but I can't find your notebook.
That's okay.
It's too expensive.
I can give you a 10% discount.
He knows a lot about animals.
I know, he has a lot of animals.
I helped her wash dishes.
He dried the plates and cups with a towel.
Hey, what happened?
There was traffic. Sorry we are late.
Is the dog swimming?
He can swim better than me.
The bus doesn't come on time.
I hope it comes on time, otherwise I'll be late.
I am dissatisfied.
That's the matter.
Do you like Coke?
I like Sprite more than Coke.
Sorry to keep you waiting for so long.
It's fine, is anything wrong?
Are seats available?
Yes, we have 4 seats.
Do you usually work late in the night?
Just when there are big projects to be done.
What kind of fruit do you like?
My favorite fruit is watermelon.
Have you finished reading the book?
Yes, but the ending was not what I accepted.
When and where were you born?
I was born in 1996 in London.
Did you buy your house?
No, my parents gave it to me.
You were here in February, weren't you?
No, I wasn't.
How much do you weigh?
I think about 195 pounds.
Have you heard the weather forecast?
No, what does it say?
Do you eat quickly?
No, I take my time.
She rejected my proposal.
That is not good. I'm sorry.
We are getting married.
I'm happy for you.
Our project failed.
Next time we should work better as a team.
What a beautiful jacket.
Do you think it looks good on me?
Excuse me. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
How was the movie?
I was moved.
I ate cookies for breakfast.
I will never tell anyone.
Do you need any help?
Please call an ambulance.
I wonder if the plane will arrive on time.
I hope so.
How long have you been unemployed?
It's been 2 months already.
What do you think of me?
I think you are great.
I'll call again later.
I will be home at 7 o'clock.
We had a very hot summer this year.
I hope the winter is more mild.
May I go to the movies tonight?
Yes, but please be home at 10 o'clock.
His English is quite good.
He speaks better than me.
You really know how to match your cloths.
Thank you, and you look great too.
What time shall we leave?
In about 5 minutes.
Can you give me a discount?
I can't go any cheaper than that.
I'm pregnant.
Is it a boy or a girl?
Tomorrow is Mother's Day.
Did you get a card for your mother yet?
Please tell me your size.
I wear a medium.
Are you working?
I am working, but it will be finished in 1 hour.
May I come over next Monday?
Yes, please come anytime.
Do you mind if I open the window?
The breeze would feel nice.
Which department do you work for?
I work in sales department.
What is your family name?
Williams.
Can you come for dinner tonight?
No, I work at the market tonight.
I can swim well.
I don't like to swim. I prefer run.
Would you like to go running?
That's a good idea.
These are your books, aren't they?
No, they aren't.
Why do you say that?
Because it's very far from.